Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use the hinge method on a round that has holes that are hangers. So what you're going to do is on your stencil, you're going to have these two little dots is where the holes are going to line up with the holes on your round. So you're going to take a pencil or a pen and just kind of poke a hole in there and match the round there. And then you also want to make sure that you're lined up on your sides too with the black vinyl. And then this should come up a little bit. So I am there. I'm in the hole there and I'm in the hole there. And once you have that lined up and your sides are lined up, the black vinyl is lined up with the round, you're going to take a piece of tape and about halfway tape it to the round, just like that, and then do the other side. I felt like I moved it a little bit. It's in there, so just like that. Then once you have that taped, you're going to fold it back. Just like this, and you're going to pull the grid off. Making sure that no black is left on the grid part. And you're just going to rip this off. Like that. And then you're going to glue it down, put it down. And then you're just going to press it down. And then you will do the opposite. You'll take your tape off. Pull this back. Pull the grid off, and also making sure that there's no black left on the grid. Lay it down. Give it a little rub. Oh, mine's off just a tad. I must have moved it a little bit, but my holes still line up. You should be okay. And then you're just going to remove the transfer tape. Holding down, with one hand holding down the vinyl and the other hand pulling off the transfer tape. Oops. Just be careful not to stretch or pull off your vinyl. I guess I need to rip that piece off first. Just like that, and pull off your vinyl. Oh, just rub that back down. Sometimes you need to move from a different direction if it doesn't want to come off. Because this is just a demo and we are actually not on a painted surface, that's probably why it's coming off a little bit more. There. And that should be it. That is the hinge method of applying a vinyl stencil.